guys, it is 5:20 in the morning right now on this beautiful Saturday, and we're going to Dallas for Beamer Fest. I'm sorry to everybody. Let's get this trip started. Man, I know all y'all like late night drives, but I would reckon that morning drives are even better because there's like way less psychopaths on the road.
Well, I guess anybody up at 5:30 in the morning is a psychopath, so I guess that's kind of debatable. Let's get some gas.
This car is like one of the most awkward ones to fill up because you gotta kind of like put it upside down and then in. And then I gotta hold it here so the body kit doesn't get messed up. Just wide body things. Only 27 bucks this morning. Take your bets in the comment section if that will get us to Dallas. I'm gonna say no, but we'll see how I do on my drive-in. One more stop. Look at that masterpiece right there. So we got one chocolate sprinkle, and then something that some of y'all in this country probably don't get to have as much. Ooh, they're warm. The kolache. Look at that thing. Yes, they're called a kolache. I don't know why, but they're like a pig in a blanket, and they're really freaking good. So I'm gonna eat these, and then we're gonna get on the big road. It's 5:45 in the morning, and somebody's already out driving their cambered out EcoBoost. It's too early for this, man.
4 hours later.
Well, guys, we made it up here. We're about an hour and a half early, so we stopped at the only place that we could really stop around here. The world's most beautiful gas station, Buc-ee's. And I don't know if it's like Taquache Saturday or something, because we got squatted trucks everywhere, and I love it. Look at that. All right, well, there's a bunch more over there. Let's go use the best bathrooms in the country. Shout out to all the dirt on the road on the way up here. My God. The car was basically clean, and now it looks like I took it mudding just in time for the show, baby. Classic Sinclair photos move. All right, now we got like 40 more minutes to burn, so I'll see you guys at Beamer Fest. So apparently this show is at an airport. We're currently at the airport, and they said that we could park on the runway. So I'm gonna have to figure out where we're going, but if this is what I think it is, it's gonna be pretty freaking cool. I think we're good to go. We're out here. This is kind of cool. They got the helicopters out. They got the jets out. This is nutty. So this is our temporary spot. We're out here with the Moto boys today. All the other dudes are rolling in, and I imagine it's gonna get pretty packed, but check out the scenery. We got all the fighter jets, a regular little propeller plane, helicopters, and like a freaking AC-130. Hopefully we get to go walk over there, and I get to live my Modern Warfare 2 fantasies of flying the AC-130. He's taking off. It's about to get loud. Well, we finally found our spot here on the runway with a beautiful view of all the planes in the back. Let's enjoy Beamer Fest 2023, baby. Dang, this 1 Series is on steroids. TX2K looking car. That's wild. Chassin Automotive. You built a monster. That man's got one headlight and one turbo up there. That's nutty. That's nasty, oh my goodness. That's wild. So now we've settled in a little bit. The line has formed and it's BMWs as far as the eye can see. We got bagged, we got static, we got everybody. And we're filling up this runway here. We're gonna do a tour of the show, but these just sound wild. What's up? Alpina, very nice. And the line just keeps going. I wonder if any more Supras will show up today and keep me company. Got the green Z4, very nice. Yas Marina blue. And there's another Supra. Brother. Looking good. We got a sneaky M4 GTS back here. And then a crazy purple M3. BMW colors are some of the best, folks. And they're all all the special ones are named after racetracks. Now, if I wanted to go out on a Sunday cruise, this thing would be the car of choice. Got the drop top, old school Beamer. And forgive me, I don't know the E36, E30, I don't know, but it looks good. Very cool blue for cruising. This man is slammed to the ground on the Rohanas with the carbon fiber peekaboo hood. Got a little forged carbon, it seems, as well. But he is absolutely laying frame. No games being played. He's got the Louis V airlift tank. Sheesh! Hey, that's not a BMW. But it's sick. I think it's the Papaya Spark 720S. Sheesh. I need to get on this level of BMW right here. That's me. The G80 interior looks so cool. BMW has no business making seats that sick. Damn, maybe it's time to trade in the Supra for a G80 M4 comp. So the flight guys just came over to our tent and was like, this fighter jet's gonna come take off, so if you feel some heat, that's what it is. So we're gonna watch this dude take off in the fighter jet. This is gonna be crazy. Here we go. Headphone users, you might want to take them out right now. I can't, so you should do that. The Amigos hooked it up. We are quiet plating the world, baby. Got the new Japanese style plates. These are dropping on the 23rd So make sure to go pick yours up. Quiet Dot Racing. Go get yours before they're all gone. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. This is super cool. Something very different. And Houston needs to get a meet on an airstrip somehow, some way. Because seeing these planes take off is very cool. I think it's coming back again. Just like that, fellas, we have left the airport. Now, the fun part, time to go back to Houston before the sun sets.